Water heaters are essential in every home, but they can also be dangerous if ignored. Today, we're sharing the most overlooked safety tips that could protect your home, your family, and your wallet. Tip 1. Check the temperature setting. Many people leave their water heater set too high. Keep it at 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius, to avoid scalding and save energy. Tip 2. Inspect the pressure relief valve. This small valve prevents explosions. Test it once a year to make sure it's working properly. Tip 3. Flush the tank regularly. Sediment buildup can damage your heater and reduce efficiency. Flushing the tank every 6 to 12 months keeps it clean and safe. Tip 4. Keep the area clear. Never store flammable items near your water heater. Paper, paint, or cleaning supplies can catch fire easily. Tip 5. Watch for leaks and rust. Even small leaks or rust spots can signal a bigger problem. Don't wait. Call a technician if you notice anything unusual. Tip 6. Install a carbon monoxide detector. If you have a gas water heater, this is a must. It can save lives by detecting invisible gas leaks. Tip 7. Hire a licensed technician. DIY repairs can be risky. Always use certified professionals for installation and maintenance. Most people ignore these simple steps, but they make a big difference. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep your water heater working the way it should. Subscribe for more home safety tips and DIY tutorials.